Designed for the geeky tech mavens among us, the 2025 Audi Q5 is a small luxury SUV with an elegant appearance and advanced technologies. Although the Q5 lineup from earlier generations will still be marketed for the 2025 model year, it is accompanied by a brand new model bursting with even more tech capabilities than past generations. Powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder, this time with 268 horsepower, the new Q5 has all-wheel drive standard, same as the old model. Although the inside design has been changed, it still reflects Audi's Bauhaus cleanliness. Up to 3 digital displays predominate on the dashboard. Google's Android Automotive operating system is used in the software behind the glass. Not nearly ready for anything different? That's alright. Choose 201, 261, or 362 horsepower and you have one last year to grab a previous generation Q5. Though more tech-forward and more current, the new Q5 better fits newly upgraded competitors like the Mercedes-Benz GLC class and the BMW X3. Although a turbocharged 4-cylinder powertrain drives all Q5 variants, the new generation vehicle comes just one way, with a 268 horsepower Turbo 4, all-wheel drive, and a 7-speed automatic. The Q540's 201 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive is the standard arrangement for the outgoing generation cars. Rising to the 261 horsepower Q545 model pays off handsomely even with a $3,400 upcharge. Although the 40's base engine is sufficient, the 45's extra 60 horsepower makes a noticeable difference and injects more joie de vivre into an otherwise boring journey. While the 55 plug-in hybrid adds electric motors to mix for a combined 362 horsepower, the fastest of the previous generation Q5s is over a range of surfaces. The well-sorted suspension of the Audi Q5 provides a consistent and steady ride. With generally good results, there is also an adjustable suspension that tries to mix that smooth ride with faster reflexes over smooth surface. We will also update this report with driving impressions for that model whenever we have an opportunity to test drive the new Q5. The large cabin, good materials, and understated but effective layout of the departing Q5 appeal to some. While adding more tech in the form of more displays, the new model follows that pattern exactly. A flat-topped and flat-bottomed steering wheel gives a sporty touch. The inside is cut in a style that readily complements Audi's other SUV models using leather, cloth, and metal.